Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my two guests here, my daughter Chullora and
Savannah. Hi.
okay, two troublemakers. Anyway, I've got them here today. Guess what, guys? We done the chili challenge, but it failed, didn't it, girls?
Yep. Yeah. Failed.
And I wasn't the one that did it. Anyway, so instead we thought we'll do the chicken nugget
challenge.
Chicken nugget challenge. Anyway, the chicken nugget challenge. Okay, so we're going to see who eats the most. At the time when we're at war with the nuggets, we won't know who's winning. Okay, guys? So that'll have to be laters. Hey, and someone already ate the chips. I'm not saying who. But
yeah, this one right here. This one. This lady.
I haven't even tried it.
This lady.
No, I did. One. Anyway, hey, we had an extra. So that's 5. So that's how many nuggets in one box?
24.
24. Okay. So the extra is for the champion, and of course it's me. Come on, girls, help me put this all in there. We'll see about that.
4.
Oops. Okay, and we got all these sauces here. Okay,
So
they're mustard. What is it, Savannah? You tell it.
Sweet mustard, barbecue, sweet and sour, Big Mac, and aioli or aioli. So big.
No, you guys will need a packet. I mean, anyway, put that there. Yeah. No, we gotta bring it forward. The sauces. We should put the chips around there as well.
Tell them what I drink.
Yeah, so we'll have the chips on it as well. And my drink today is Fanta. So that was a different one because someone.
Just the water.
Hers is just water, and hers is the same as mine. Fanta. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers with my water. I'm not gonna drink.
Okay, wait.
Get me full, and I'm not gonna tell them my strategy, but I'm gonna win today.
Okay. You ready? Set. Go.
Can I have a sweet chili? Sweet and sour.
Okay. I'll have mine in the front because I'm clever like that. And my mustard one. Yeah.
I'm beating you.
Yeah. Okay. I'll get all my sauces in front of me. Okay, guys. You know the turtle? It's the last one to start, but what's the result? Won the race. Yeah, here I go. I'm the turtle. One.
This barbecue's nice.
Oh, where's my barbecue?
I got all my sauces lined up. I lost count.
It don't matter, because we won't believe you anyway. You'll say 15, you only ate 8 or something. Anyway, wait. You guys, they don't know how to share these two.
Okay, I need some drinking. Okay.
Where is Savannah? How's everyone been? I'm okay, thank you. Oh, you didn't ask. Were you looking for a woman?
I'm gonna win. I'm winning. No, don't worry.
I hope you can keep score, because I know you guys will see them cheating. So, leave a comment down below who won.
Me. Heartburn.
Well, we know who's not going to win.
This is a long nugget. Yeah.
Do you want one of these?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Barbecue sauce is nice.
Can I get sweet and sour?
Excuse me.
I reckon I'm winning right now.
I
No,
don't know.
I've had the most. I've had the most.
They can say whatever, but you guys know who won.
Who's won every challenge that we've done? Who's lost?
Who's won?
You already know it's me.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, I feel like I'm winning.
You can go really, really fast, but you end up slowing down.
Yeah.
It's like a boxer. Go really, really, really fast, then tire out. And then the slow one wins. This is so nice.
The honey mustard's nice. I need to stop drinking.
I don't want to drink too much. I don't want these girls winning. No way.
We already know you're going to give up.
Oh, you'll see. You'll see. Not this time round. Used to have a sneaky say. Man.
When we went and got the nuggets, I was the only one that didn't eat one. They ate one. So, they started to get full.
I was pretending.
See, I'm going to win because you're talking, I'm eating.
Right.
Yeah, but...
Hey, should we do a thumbnail? Yeah, thumbnail.
What?
Okay.
No, I actually think I'm winning.
Why did I take that drink? I've got a mac sauce, Big Mac sauce, a barbecue sauce. What's the sauce? Mayonnaise.
No, aioli.
Aioli. Sweet mustard. And all-time favourite, sweet and sour. And there's all the sauces that's going to help me win.
That's going to help me win.
What happened?
Oh, she's slowing down. See? Went too fast.
You're next, buddy.
You are. I started counting and then I lost count.
I wouldn't bother. Because you're just a waste of time. You ain't got to win anyway.
No.
Winner chicken dinner.
Like
It's
chicken
gonna-
nugget crumbs in your nose.
No. I always have a snotty nose when I eat my mukbang. Oh, that barbecue is so nice. How many sauces did they give all together?
They gave 4 of everything.
Mm.
So,
Mhm.
really good. Oh, probably my favourite right now is this mustard one.
Mhm.
It's really nice. I like sweet and sour. Oh, okay.
Answer them.
Stop! Hello? What? Sorry, my dad doesn't come at the moment. Could you call back in an hour? Could you please call back in an hour? Okay. Thank you. Bye. Wait. No! What are you saying?
Did you find out who was that disturbing us?
Crystal.
Oh.
She's done. Did you do something?
No, I was just
well, like,
trying to eat
yeah.
up right away you got.
Yeah.
Duh.
Eat up.
We only ate one extra nugget when you were gone. Useless.
Oh, sorry. Oh, they gave me space. Oh, thanks for the thing. Let's burp now. Have a burp. Come on. Look at this. Oh, nugget.
Like a
Looks
pig.
like a love heart.
Looks like a pig.
I'm a
No.
No.
There's elephants now. Paul, ours looks like a bear.
That's a boob, but it's
A boob.
not a boob, a boot. A boot.
Oh.
There's circle, boot, bow.
Oh no, I'm getting full on the stink. Stop it.
There's 4 different.
Okay.
shapes. I can't give up. No.
No, you're going down.
Yeah.
Down, down, down.
That gave me like
Oh,
a little bit of space.
I had that phone call just distracted me. Mentally. No. Okay. Focus. Focus. Focus.
What?
Distraction. Distraction. Fancy. Stop drinking your water. Stop drinking your phone phone.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, what about you? Drink up. Drink up. So ackerman.
No. I'm really.
Who's winning?
Babe. We made a really good dent in this. I know. Like other YouTubers.
If we finish all this, we can all be winners.
No, we're not finishing that. Yeah, we're not. That's the thing. But we made a good dent.
Well, dent it all.
Pull it back. Or like twist it because I can't see the nugget. I think we finished it.
Look, guys.
Yeah,
This is how much we ate.
See how hungry we were?
We were. I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
I better nugget and put it somewhere. Where is it?
Ew.
Oh, here it is. Ew, you.
Don't give up, Samoa.
I don't even know how much. Hang on. Oh, space.
Space.
You know what? The top ones, they're crunchy. The ones on the bottom, they're going a bit soft. Oh, what am I telling you guys my secret for?
The drink is helping me, but then it's also slowing me down.
Oh, well. Focus, focus, focus.
Yeah, because I'll get clogged up. Right. And then I've wanted to do this challenge for years, and now I'm doing it, and I'm going to. I know.
Because the winner.
No, but I'm gonna win.
No.
Sorry, you can't let her win. No.
Stop being haters. You know what? I'm gonna eat 2 at a time.
That's what I did at the start of the video. I started doing 2 at a time, and then I got 4 of that.
You should ask them a question so they comment down below. I'll get you money.
What's your question?
Alright.
Guys, please comment below and congratulate me for winning.
No, congratulate me. We don't have that money. Please count. You don't really need to count because we already know who's gonna win.
See, there's a problem sitting out on the outside. You answer the phone.
Hello. Who's this? Hello, can you please call back in an hour? Alright, thank you. Bye. We're doing a challenge.
It's slowing Chullora down.
See, we fixed the phone, now it works.
No, everyone's annoying us.
Is it your... This is your first mukbang? Just Samoa.
Trying to open my sauce. I'm getting full.
This is those strings.
No.
It's like helping, but like not helping.
Yeah, it's helping because it's clean.
Oh well. Slow down if you want. Anyway, guys. Oh, why does my hair look horrible? Anyway, please comment down below and tell them that they tried and I'm winning. Oh, I won.
Ask them how much they think they would eat.
How many do you think I ate? 30?
Okay, don't get too far. We all know you've only eaten like, what, 5?
Don't be jealous.
It feels like I've eaten...
How many do you think you ate?
100.
I know, it feels like you ate 100.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
It feels like I ate 100.
Oh well. Sit it out, kids. Sit it out.
No, you can't.
Let me sit it out. Don't grab another one. No. You know what? Oh my. Give me space.
Ow! Don't do that.
I know my baby, right? You see, we're all talkative and all, no.
Yeah, we're
no.
all like talking each other down like we're gonna win now.
You just go sleep.
Enough food, baby.
I know, I'm so fat.
Ooh!
Woo! Space!
Space! You know, it is space.
I know. Okay.
Just looking at it makes me...
Yeah, I'm like too...
That's probably why people burp when you eat them. You didn't have to.
Space.
Come on. Keep going.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to look back at the camera onto the recording and I'm going to count how many nuggets we have.
Oh, you know what?
I can guess how much she ate. Probably 4. And her, probably 2.
We all know I've eaten 4 out of 0. 40.
4 out of 0, so there's no 0 in it, so it's 4.
No, 40. We all know 40.
4 take away 0 is 4.
Before I take
Oh.
Oh, that was a big sip. Oh, that took up so much space.
Don't remind me. Don't remind me you hate it. You hate it, Savannah.
No.
Come on. See?
I lost.
See? See what happened? What happened to her? She was eating
Yeah, she's like, oh, I'm gonna win this, I'm beating you. And then she started eating nuggets before the video. See, it filled her up.
I ate 2 before the video.
Still,
I could have ate that 2 in this video.
Exactly.
see, should have saved your space. See, I ate 1 fry and that's it. That did nothing. Nothing. Them, they ate like 5 nuggets before the video.
One more. One more. You know what they say, one more for the road?
It's taken me a minute just to finish this one.
You know how Tyler Oakley, he was doing the challenge and he's like looking at these, I guess making me feel sick. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking at it.
It's,
They don't look as appetizing as when we started.
like, when we were about to start, I wanted to jump on them and...
You know. I know. And they know. I won the show, right?
No, I think I did.
I actually think I did.
Oh, don't put my tongue.
Comment down my name below if you think I won.
I gotta put my tongue. Stop it, cheated.
CHULLORA.
Watch it, woman.
Comment it below.
No, Savannah. SAVANNAH. Spell that with hearts. And saying winner.
Chicken
Winner.
dinner.
Chicken dinner.
Anyway, they can say whatever they want. You guys say, oh, Faye, we knew you won. Just by looking at those useless girls beside you.
I'm so full.
Like I don't. I think we're useless now.
We've given up.
I think the bus has stopped. And who's getting off here?
You.
No!
See
I have one more. One more for the crunchy one. One more for the road because I am a champion.
It's taken me a minute to finish a nugget, so I'm not gonna go.
We done good.
Yeah, but we did look.
Like, we done good.
Wait, how many was there? 120? Let's count how many's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
That's 80 or 70. We done good.
Congratulations.
I probably ate 60.
I'm probably at 71.
We all know I ate all of it. They were just eating air.
Oh, that was a struggle just trying to get that last one.
I'm going to bed after this.
Not amazing. Guys, who won?
No, I actually think I done more. I ate a lot.
I ate 2 at a time in the beginning, so I'm guessing.
You know, I really thought we were going to smash this.
Yes.
Because there's 3 of us.
Yeah, but that's still good. If Geneva was here, she would have. Noah, if Noah was here, that would have been all.
Oh. See? Okay.
We did good, but.
Yeah.
Did good.
I did good. So, let me know. Let us know. Let me know I won. Let them know they did it. Okay, guys? Because we all know they can't eat. Okay? I'll probably be about 10 more than this one. Probably 20 or 30 more than this one.
We all know I ate most of the nuggets.
You lost like after eating 5 nuggets.
No.
She started to slow down at like the beginning, but then she picked back up and then went back down.
I didn't go back anywhere. I just ate till I won.
I was like up, and then I started to go down slowly. And
We
then-
ate a lot. We ate 80 plus nuggets.
That's good. And we had 120.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, well, guys, I just thought we'll just put this video in, okay? Because we were supposed to do this sweet chili.
The spicy noodle
Can
challenge.
we still do that?
We were supposed to. No.
No. I almost died trying to do that.
Anyway, we were supposed to do the chili noodle challenge, But we tried it, right? And it was a big fail.
Big fail.
Big fail.
I'm so tired.
Pardon me. And then we thought, okay then, we're going to do this. Okay? And then what's the other one? Oh yeah, because I was uploading my Cook Island videos. So, I just want to say, thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, if you're a Polynesian and you like to be creative, get on out there and
get your
do
cameras, get it ready,
that's
start
right.
filming.
And then hashtag Polytube. And let us know that you started. Come and say hello. We'll come back and say hello to you. And these two and me will come and subscribe. Show support. Yeah, girls? Yes?
We'll give you some subscribers, get you started.
Yeah. Okay. So don't forget though, you know, I really care for what you guys think. So let me know that I won and I'll say thank you.
We all know I won. Don't worry. Don't
Okay.
beat that last bit out. It's alright. We all know I won.
O ka le loko leanga le kenkiki. Lea.
What's
Ma
this
lea.
one trying to say? Chullora, what's
I
she trying to say?
said, oh, you two are so good. Yeah. Anyway, loko leanga, yeah. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. But it's a goodbye from,
You got to thumbs it up.
yeah. Okay, don't forget, you say.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell to know when she posts. We all know you want to watch
Well,
it.
you got to subscribe first. Subscribe, comment down below that I won, like the video, share it to someone.
You got this, guys.
I want you right there to like this video.
We challenge you to do this video. We challenge you to do this.
Yep.
To see if you can beat us. We challenge
And then say who challenged you. Savannah.
Say it.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys are great out there. Yeah.
Bye.
This was a challenging to my size 14 figure. Oh, no, it's a 12? Yeah, I think so. To my figure. Okay? Yeah. So, it's going to be a
I'm going to go in a food
knock back
coma.
to my, to all the lovely, oh, this is how much I weigh now. This is how skinny I am. Because I was going like this and my hands just kept going. Stop being jealous. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. This is a goodbye from
Savannah.
Chullora.
and the winner, Faye Vids. Thank you very much, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to go in a food coma now. Bye.
Let's go relax. Get out. Get out.
Bye.
Out.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
I'm saying get out of my way.
Subscribe to